Hello everyone, welcome to the food production class. In this video, we will learn about the spices, condiments, and the general layout of the kitchen. So let's start. First, we will learn about the spices. So, what are these spices? Spices are the strongly flavored substance. We can say the substance, or again the part of the plant which is we get from the in various form, like in the bark, in seeds, a flower. Or it can be a fruit of the plant, right? So the spices are strongly flavored substance which is get from the plants in the form of the roots, shoots, even seeds. These are the aromatic substance which is have a distinct fragrance, means every parts of spices or we get from the plant have a different fragrance, different flavor, and different uh, aromatic, we can say different characteristic they have, which is give the seasonality. We can say that they give the enhance to the food. The major spice producing countries are India, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, or France, Greeks, and all over the world there are, we have different spices in the world. So they, but major producing are where, like we can say the European parts and the American parts and the Asian countries are much more. In the Asian country, that's Indonesia, China, India, Malaysia, Thailand are major producer of the spices. The first spices that was introduced to the European, it was the pepper by India. So that's why they, to get the spices, the hunt for that, uh, for European, that lead to the history, we can say, because the Portuguese means the Vasco da Gama traveled to the India for the spices and the search of the to find out to new route to India. The Columbus, uh, we can say, the derived a new world to the other world, we especially Europeans. So spices were used in the ancient times from the spices are used in the ancient times to preserve the foods and replace the lost flavor by the long periods. The uses of spices are not restricted to Indian cuisine. It is used in the several cuisine of the world, and the main purpose of the spices are the same, that they enhance the flavor of the food. So India is known as the home of the spices, means the lots of spices are produced in the India, and they refer to be the food of India is going to be referred the spicy food. The mostly there are hot, means the interpretation by the other countries, other peoples, that Indian foods are too spicy and too hot, but it's not like that. Not every time it is hot food. The food being spicy and food being are two things. Spices come from various parts of the plants. So there are many ways in which spices can be classified. One of the way is to classify on the basis of the parts they come from, means uh, what part of the plants we are using as a spices, so it became be classified. जैसे कि, so we can say जैसे part of the plants is barks is the, जैसे कैसासिया, cinnamon, दालचीनी is the part of the, जिसे हिंदी में छाल बोलते हैं. And the berries means the kind of fruits which is used. The berries, typically the black pepper, we can say juniper is the berries which is used as spices. Leaves of the plant, there is a bay leaf, curry leaf. And the fruits, there's a cardamom. Seeds, we use this any seeds, caraway seeds, cumin seeds. So different part of the plants using as a spices, so we can classify into that category. And the dry spices further classifies into the two categories: whole spices or ground spices. There could be another classification which is on the role play, means the what spices are playing the role in the food. While we making the food, so what the spices we are using, what are the purpose for that. On that basis we can classify into that. So on that basis there are four category of the spices which is normally classified in every which is, we can say, the best way to classify the spices. The hot spices, chili, pepper, black pepper. Okay, so they give the hotness means the spiciness to the food. Mild spices like paprika, which is give the spicy but less than hot spices. Coloring spices mean those spices we are using for the color in the get the color from the food, like saffron or turmeric are the example of the coloring spices. And last one is aromatic spices, so that we get the aroma in the food, like cardamom, okay, cloves are the aromatic spices. So this is all about the condiments and the spices. Okay, we will discuss about few of example, which is okay, few of example. Why? Because there are lots of variety of spices. Okay, so we can't cover up all that, but we are going to be selective about this, and we will discuss about their name and their use in Indian cuisine. So first we will take as a carom seed. The carom seed is a Hindi we call it the ajwain. So these spices are probably carried to the India from the Mediterranean belt. Means that this is was earlier produced in the Mediterranean Sea country. Now then it is after the travel is going to also be a part of the Indian cuisine also. Okay, that widely used in the Indian cuisine for the flavoring curries, pickles and deep fried products. Okay, so it is the spice sold as a whole, means there is no breakdown, or we can say there is no ground paste of that we can sold at the dried form. The largest grower of the ajwain is our Rajasthan and the Gujarat. Okay, the use of the ajwain in the Indian cooking. The famous Indian that Indian spice are mostly used in the parathas and Indian breads. Okay, so some of also used in the savory items, just like a pakoda. Okay, the we can say samosas. Okay, with it's always going well with the beans and pulse. Okay, it has an affinity, means that is the use of the with the starchy food. Okay, always prefer with the those food which is have a more starch. It has powerful, means the aroma of ajwain is much more powerful, so we never use in the large quantity. Okay, which can simply found in the crushing the seeds. When we crush the ajwain seed, we can see that strong fragrance of the spices. Okay, so ajwain contains the essential oils like thymol. Okay, so thymol causes the numbness of the tongue and the freshen of the breath, which means the chewing of this seed causes the numbness of the tongue and the freshen. That is the medical use of the ajwain. Cinnamon, like we can also say the dalchini, it is the cinnamon. Okay, the spices which is Chinese originated, but after the abundantly grow in the Sri Lanka and Indian part. Okay, so that is the casasa bark, which is remarkable available less expensive compared to the okay. So the use of the cinnamon in that is it is used as in the garam masala. Okay, and also used in the rice dishes. Okay, and curries. Okay, it will give the fragrance to the oil, and it is always mainly used with the tempering with the oil. The soft, which is also called the aniseeds. Okay, the aniseeds are the green colored oval shaped sweet fragrance. Okay, it is used in the curries and the gravies mainly from the Kashmir, and it is bit sweety, means that the texture of, we can say, the fragrance of the soft is always be a sweet. Okay, in the other parts of India is used as for the pickles and often used as a mouth freshener. Okay, so there are lots of variety of spices like bay leaf. Okay, bay leaf, and that is another green cardamom is also called choti elaichi, coriander seeds, cumin seeds. Okay, fenugreek seeds, Quebec pepper is also called as a long pepper. Okay, and that is the black pepper, poppy seed, which is also called khaskhas, saffron, which in Hindi they call kesar, the tamarind. So there are lots of spices and herbs are there which is used differently in the Indian cuisine. Okay, so we will discuss about the major how they use it. Okay, the storage, or we can say the use of the spices. Okay, so there are many ways which is we use the spices in Indian cuisine. Okay, so first is the dry roasting, means always we try to get more fragrance of the from the spices. We all do the roasting with the dry roasting. Okay, means it is also known the broiling of the spices. We combine the 2-3 spices and roast in the pan or in the kadai, so that can release that aromas. Okay, and reduce their moisture in that. Okay, second part we use spices is frying in oil. Okay, we do the spices. Okay, spices are usually fried in the oil or ghee. They are volatile oil present in the spices. Okay, so the oil from the spices go into the oil, so it is enhance the flavor of the fats. Okay, grinding means we take spice contains moisture. Okay, so it's difficult to crush them to powder, so it was advisable to first they do the broil. Okay, in the low heat, so the moisture can reduce and that. Okay, so after that we can grind them. Okay, after grating. Okay, the grating like nutmeg or ginger we use that, and the shredding our chopping, we can say the fresh spices like coriander. Okay, or curry leaf we can use as a chopped. Okay, yeah, shredded on. And like last is the infusing means we use the few spices in the warm liquid for use, like a saffron or tamarind, means we should pre-soaked in the liquid or water, and that water we use in the cooking. So that is the various way to use of the spices and herbs. How to storage, and so because it is important to store the spices. The store the spices are airtight jars in the cool and dark places. Keep away from the sunlight. That's why, because the heat and the light volite means the destroyed the oils and to evaporate, and the spices lose their fragrance and the flavor. The whole spices may last up to many years. Means okay, so there should be a proper storage, means the length of the age of the whole spice is much more longer. Okay, the ground spices not keep longer. Okay, they should be not stored more than 6 months. Okay, the darker color spices powder, just like okay, to roast the spices for the longer duration of the time. To keep spices for longer duration of time, they store them in the freezer and airtight container. Okay, use the light hand while seasoning and spicing a dishes. So that was the storage of the spices. So in this video we learn about the spices and the storage and the use. Okay, now we will continue with the masalas. Okay, so in this video we learn about the spices and the herb. Now in the next video we will come up with the masalas and the layout. Thank you.